Gabo. So, I was eating at the gilly, and this gentleman brought his dirk, and his dirk was barking. And I was like, please shut that animal up. And they were like, what? And I was like, it's barking. And they were like, barking. And I said, barking, like they didn't know what I was talking about. So, I regret to inform them that I work here. And they had no idea who I was. So you can understand my predicament.